How to remove someone from Instagram group chat. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to remove someone in Instagram group chat. After you open up your Instagram app like this now, go ahead and open the group that you want to remove someone on it. So for me, I'll tap on this message section. After you come to this message section, now you can be able to see all your Instagram groups. So for me, I want to remove someone from this group. So after I open the group like this now, if you want to remove someone, now tap on this group name at the top. After you tap on the group now you can be able to see all the members of the group in this session. So now tap on these people, this one. After you come to these people in this session, you can be able to see all the list of the people that are currently in the group. So to remove someone on the group, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot beside the facing name. Tap on this three dot beside the facing name. So now tap on this remove user. So now as you can see, now I remove this person from this Instagram group. That's it guys on how to remove someone in Instagram group. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.